Are there tiny black bugs in your house? Perhaps you've found a few white bugs clinging to an indoor plant. Have you ever wondered how to get rid of the annoying bugs that live in your house? While we expect bugs to be outdoors, most people don't want to share their house with bugs. We all want to keep our houses pest-free, but the chemical pesticides we can get from stores are way too toxic and harmful to use anywhere near your home, family, and pets. If these chemicals can kill insects, surely they cannot be good for us, and it's better to use something natural and safe to repel bugs and insects whenever possible. Here are natural, easy, safe, and effective tricks and steps to get these household insects and bugs out of your home once and for all. 1. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are not only disgusting insects to see in your house, but they can also carry very harmful diseases and causes allergic reactions. It is believed that this bug can survive just about anything, and if we don't exterminate them from our homes, it can rapidly become a pest. Cockroaches may enter your house through cracks and drains. They can also enter whenever they smell crumbs of food you left on the floor or any part of the kitchen. If you already have some of these bugs in your home, this trick is very cheap and safe, and most importantly, it works to get rid of them. Chop 1 onion and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and put this mixture in the corners of your house. 2. Trick number 2, using peppermint oil. Besides making your house smell wonderful, mint plants and peppermint oil naturally repel ants, spiders, mosquitoes, and even mice. Mix 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil in 8 ounces of water, then shake and spray the mixture in areas around doorways, vents, and windows. 3. Ticks can be very different in size and color. It is very important to protect yourself, your family, and your pets from these little nasties, because ticks may be very harmful and sometimes even deadly. If you are afraid of applying chemical pesticides to your skin or on your pet's fur, so try these natural and safe mixtures to prevent these annoying creatures from getting into your home. Mix 20 drops of rose geranium essential oil, 10 drops of sweetgrass essential oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of citronella or lemon essential oil, and 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, and dilute it to 100 milliliters with vinegar or water. Then transfer it into a spray bottle. Shake well and spray it on your clothes before leaving your house. 4. Garden pests. There are many different types of garden pests out there, so it's better to do some research on the most common ones to be prepared for when they come for your produce. We have some tips for when you decide to start your own garden. Mix 1/2 cup of hot peppers with 1/2 cup of garlic or onion, then blend it until it turns into a paste. Mix the paste with 500 milliliters of warm water. Let it sit for 24 hours in a warm place, strain it, and spray your plants with this liquid to keep unpleasant bugs away. 5. Spiders. Even if you don't get poisonous spiders in your area, you most likely would still appreciate knowing that they can't come into your house. They can get absolutely anywhere, and even the smallest ones are really scary. Most spiders are not a threat to humans since their bite equates to the bite of a mosquito. Dying from a spider bite is a very rare occurrence, but if you want to keep them away from you, this natural repellent won't kill the spiders, but it will keep them away since these terrifying insects don't like strong smells. Add 5 to 10 drops of peppermint oil into a mix of 200 milliliters of water and 1/4 teaspoon of liquid detergent. Shake it well, and spray the affected areas once a week until you get rid of all the spiders. The peppermint oil can be substituted with eucalyptus, citronella, lavender, or tea tree oil. 6. Ants. Ants can be very annoying and can suddenly appear from out of nowhere, oftentimes sneaking into places in your kitchen or pantry by leaving a path for their friends into your home. Although ants don't present a serious threat to humans, they can contaminate food and damage property, and depending on the species, their bites can cause allergic reactions. Ants absolutely hate the smell of cinnamon. Put some cinnamon powder in the areas of your house where you think the ants enter from. 7. Dust mites. These bugs are so tiny that we can't even see them with the naked eye. But unfortunately, it doesn't mean that these tiny insects are not in your house. They live in household dust, prefer warmer places, and their favorite food is skin flakes. Mix 6 teaspoons of eucalyptus oil with 1.5 teaspoons of liquid laundry detergent in 1 bucket of water and soak the washable items, then wash it as normal. For anything unwashable, Just spray and wipe it with a clean cloth. 8. Weevils. If you leave flour, cereal, or rice unsealed in the pantry, you might end up with these unwanted bugs in your food. Weevils prefer grains and seeds, but can also appear in flour or even pancake mix. You certainly don't want chemical pesticides anywhere near your food, but these tricks can be good solutions to keep these insects away. Weevils really don't like the smell of bay leaves or cloves. Drop a clove or a bay leaf on the top of your food and around containers to keep these things away from your home. 9. Drain flies. These flies live in drains, and they mostly live in our bathrooms or kitchens. Some people think these little fellas are very cute, and that might be because of their size and fur, but they can be pretty annoying to live with. To get rid of them and prevent them from reappearing, you have to clean and sanitize your sinks first. Mix 1/2 cup of baking soda and salt with 1 cup of vinegar, and use warm water to flush the mixture. Which one of these tricks did you find most useful to keep bugs out of your home? Or maybe you have your own bug repelling secret. Tell us about it in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe in the channel to get all new videos.